reset that all the time and change it to default. So the document window, the tab and artboard of current work in Photoshop. So kaning nasa babaw, ani. Okay? Kani. So na diha ay file name nimo later on. So far wala na ko butang yung file name, but nakasuwat diha si untitled one. Options bar, the bar beneath the menus that changes based on the selected tool. Used for adjusting specific tool. Okay? Tool settings. So this one, kaning na diri. Okay? So example, mo click ko og line. Kani, rectangle. So nana diri. Okay, mo gawas. Shape, kung sa may shape. Okay? Fill, kung say fill, kung say color, pwede na nimo ma-change. So any color, okay, pwede ari ka diri mo change. Okay? Then kabag-on sa line, then width and height. So you can change that always there. Pero pwede na sa mo dito buhat kag rectangle. Okay, ana. So pwede ra jud kayo. Okay? So usually panagsara ko mo gamit ani diri. For example, di ko ganahan na i-fill, okay, balihon ako. Ang stroke mo ibutangan ako. Like for example, this one. Then ang thickness, okay? Like that. Diba? So, ingana. Okay? And then the status bar at the bottom of the Photoshop window that displays file information such as file size, zoom status, and resolution. So, kanina sa ubos. So, tanawa, 508 mm by 254 mm, 300 ppi. Naka-zoom ko 12.15%. So, kung ako na siyang i-zoom, og dako, most of na siya dito na 25, 33, okay? And then the panels. Photoshop is made up of different panels that each have a different function. Panels range from the layers panel, color panel, tools panel, adjustment panel, character panel, properties panel, etc. Each panel has a specific use based on the need for the user. So Photoshop preferences are settings that affect the way Photoshop runs. For example, how much RAM Photoshop uses, the color of guides, and the color of the UI. Okay, so panels in Photoshop. So you have the tools panel, the history panel, the layers panel, the color panel, the channels, swatches, adjustment, properties, character, brushes. So kani siya, ari ni siya makita diri nga side. Kabantay mo ni? Mo ni siya, swatches, gradients, patterns. Okay? So this one, okay? Then the layers panel, nasa ubos. Kani. Okay? So, pwede na nimo dungagan dire. Okay, tanawa. Properties, adjustment, layers. Okay? So, pwede na nimo i-add diha. Okay? But for me, di kay ko mo gamit sa uban. So, I prefer having the three of this one. Usually, I don't use this one. Ang akong ganahan makita is the layers lang jud. Especially if I'm creating uh, a design that has many layers. So at least makita na ko dayon. Okay? So ayaw mo kalibog kung ano unsay pasabot na lang sir. Ato na i-discuss unsa na si layer. Okay? So the toolbar, Photoshop has a lot of tools that you can use. These tools can be accessed through the toolbar. Okay, if you do not see the toolbar, you can load it by going to Windows Tools at the menu bar or on the top of your screen. So here, if you cannot see the toolbar, so ana na nimo makita diri. Okay? So kita na nimo dira tools. Okay? So pag-add sad ari ra sad na imo ra sa i-check. For example, kani history. So imo i-check, gawas na siya diha. Okay? So yun ana ra na siya. So naa diri Windows, then may tao na nimo kung unsay imong mga kuad. Okay, workspace. Pwede nimo mouse tab. Pwede ka magbuhat og imong workspace, then you name it according to what you want it to name. Okay. Tools are grouped together with similar function. If you click and hold the icon on the toolbar, a drop-down will appear with other possible tools. So what does that mean? Here, Okay, if you could see this one, di ba, naa siya mura gamay nga arrow. Okay, if you could see na siya gamay nga arrow. Imo na siyang i-click, okay? Okay, kabantay mo, right click, mugawas ang iyang lain-lain nga toolbar. Okay, but more or less, they are grouped together. Okay, example, this one, clone stamp. So, naay pattern stamp, naay clone stamp. Okay? So, nana, kadabas ang naana siya murag arrow nga gamay, it means to say, napa na siya lain nga tools. Okay? Each tool changes the control panel options located above your document window. You can also see a change in the cursor icon to let you know what tool is being used. Okay? So, if I choose this one, okay, mugawa siya, lahi sa imong cursor. So, balik ko dere, mo na siya. Okay, kani pag-select. Okay, kani pag-select. Okay, text tool. Okay. So, pwede na nimo i-click. Okay, it takes time to load guys because dagan kaya akong font. So, example, type ko. Okay. So, padak-ani mo, ari ka diri sa imong, okay. Or you can press Control T. Okay. Then, pwede na nimo mapadako. Okay. Or you can change it here. Okay, tanawa, nana siya diha. Pwede ka mo type 150. So automatic na siya mudako. Okay? You can change also the color if you want. Okay, may red, kani, green. Okay, so yun ana. Okay? So these are the different tools. So the move, the marquee. Okay? So you read this later on after our discussion. Okay? Kung say gamit ani nila. Then the Photoshop menus, so image menu used to edit image with certain tasks such as image adjustments, can also be used to change the document color mode and the document size. Okay, the layer menu is used to create new layers, group layers, merge layers, as well as edit layers with mask. Okay, the type menu used to edit and adjust text. Select menu used to select objects within images as well as edit and refine. The filter menu used to apply preset filters and effects to images. The view menu is used to adjust the view in Photoshop, such as how zoomed in the document is, the screen mode, as well as viewing the grids and rulers, also used to create guides. The window menu is used to open panels and edit, reset the current workspace. Okay, so file handling. Okay, specific information that can be embedded into the file, such as the author and copyright status. Okay, recovery setting in Photoshop that will save the file you are working in based on settings set in preference command window. Okay, so the non-printing elements in Photoshop. So the non-printing elements is pwede nimo ibutang sa imong drawing pero inig-print nimo dili. Number one is the ruler. If you notice, there's a scale here on top. Okay, on top and on the left. Okay, if I click it here and I hold it and I pull it down, na ako'y ruler mo gawas. Okay, kita mo na linya nga blue guys. Can you see it? Thumbs up for those who see it. Okay, so that's a horizontal ruler. Okay, if ganahan ko ari sa vertical, nasa na yung vertical. So I can create, okay, akong butangan og layer sa ilaw ha para klaro. Okay? So pwede na nako butangan og daghan nga ruler. So guide din nimo, okay? Ganahan ka magtungod ni sila, okay? Or nakakay butang nga text na dapat magtungod. So pwede jud kayo. So kaning siyang ruler nako inig-print nako wala siya labot. Okay, nan mo na gitawag og non-printing elements. Okay? The guides, okay, the smart guides, the grids. So I don't usually use the grids and the smart guides. Yeah, I usually use the ruler. Okay? So before we start, I would, okay, before we end, nalang ko i-discuss gamay. Okay, ato lang ning laktawan kay importante kay ni siya. Okay, kani si copyright. Diyot, for a while charge ako. So sa tao ng charger. Tiwas ako. Okay? So, copyright. So, also means copyright. Ah, guys, katungog mo na ko. Si copyright is the intellectual property. Okay? So, a creation of the mind that the law protects from unauthorized users. So, copyright, the legal ownership of an intellectual property which allows the owner to create copies and profit from the intellectual property. So, these are pwede nimo i-copyright si books, si architectural works, si memo, plays, poems, nanuman because um, what we usually do is we just search an image in the internet and then we download it and then we use it in Photoshop. Okay? Which is a big no-no. Okay? Okay? So, dili ta magpataka o example, mayroon ko ninyo, guys, magbuhat ta og food poster. So, di mo magpataka o kuha og picture sa internet. Okay? Why? Because we don't know. Okay? Usually, taka lang tagkuha, ato lang i-erase ang background sa hamburger, buhat tag food poster. Niya, copyrighted ito. Pwede mo makiha na. Especially if inyong gamiton for business. Okay? So, muna pasabot sa copyright. So, it protects the one who made that. Okay?
Naka-off ka, sir.
Sorry. Okay? Mislitan na yung controller. Okay? So again, balik ta sa copyright So copyright, dili ta pwede magpataka o kuha og picture sa internet. Example, kanang pictures, mag-iyon ko ninyo, magbuhat ta og food poster, then you decide na hamburger imong ibaligya. So dili ka pwede makakuha og picture sa McDonald's, okay? Kay naka-copyright na sila. Okay? So di ta pwede magpataka o kuha og image sa internet and then we use it on for our own. Okay? Pwede ta makiha na. Okay, pwede mo makiha na. Especially if inyo i-post sa social media, niya, makita na sa tag-iya, automatic mo, pailan mo kaso ana. Okay? So, copyright is a form of protection provided by the laws of the United States. Okay? So, the copyright in the work of authorship immediately becomes the property of the author who created the work. Okay? Ikamusad, later on, if you have your own work, then you have, if hindi ka ganahan nga makopya to, okay, na mo yung invention, mo sa na imong i-apply for copyright. Okay? So, duration na, tanawa. Copyrights last for the author's lifetime plus 70 years. Okay? If for work made of hire, for hire, and for anonymous and pseudonymous work, okay, the duration of copyright will be 95 years from publication or 120 years from creation, whichever is shorter. So types of protected works, trademark, service mark, and commercial use. Okay, a use that generates income. Okay. Trademark, a type of intellectual property consisting of recognizable sign, design, expression, jingle, etc., usually associated with a company and goods. So trademarks, what are they? So to be trademarked, the item must pass several tests. So it must be actually used as an identifier for particular goods or service. It has to be in some way distinctive. The mark must not be confusingly similar to anyone else's trademarks. So a trademark, a word, phrase, symbol, or design, or a combination of words, phrases, symbols, or design that identifies the distinguishes the source of the goods for one party from those of others. A service mark is the same as trademark, except that it identifies and distinguishes the source of a service rather than a product. Okay? So, these are the trademarks. Kasagara na, UPS, Android, mga trademark na siya. Coca-Cola, Starbucks, IBM, Barbie, Ford Motor, John Deere, Levi's, Nivea, kanang mga logo, kasagaran nga makita nato sa internet, sa sakyanan, sa gasa, mga trademarks na sila. Okay? They are copyright. Di ka pwede magbuhat og logo imong ganahan kay Mango imong baligya, imong kwaon ang M sa McDonald's dili pwede. Dili na pwede. So dili ta magpataka og download sa internet, then we use it for our design. So I will teach you unsay proper. Okay? So obtaining a trademark, you create a distinct item for use and begin using it. It does not have to be registered, but that affords its greater protection. To register a trademark, you apply to the US Patent and Trademark Office. Okay, when advertising that a product can be used with another product or be another product. When writing an article that refers to a product's name, okay, market a very dissimilar product under a name already used. Okay, ito nawa si Carrier o si Ford, more or less, para parehara siya. Okay, so types of protected works, trade secret, derivative works, patent, fair use, and fair use guidelines. Say, something is fair use, a legal doctrine that allows the use of some copyrighted materials without having to ask for permission. Okay? Fair
Yes.
use guidelines, the correct way in which fair use is achieved, education, and we are part of this one. News, critic, parody. Okay? So, four factors of fair use: the purpose and character of the use, including whether such use is of commercial nature or is for non-profit educational purposes. Meaning, dili ta makakwarta. Okay, the nature of the copyrighted work, the amount and substantially of the portion used in relation to the copyright work as a whole. The effect of use upon the potential market for or values copyrighted work. Okay? So guidelines state that in some instances, we do not have to obtain permission from the copyright owner. Okay? So muna fair use. Okay? So fair use to apply, you must be able to answer yes to a large proportion of this question. Is your use non-commercial? If it's yes, is your use of purpose of criticism, comment, parody, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, or research? Is the original work mostly fact? Has the original work have been published? Okay. So are you copying only a relatively significant part of the original work? Okay. This is also true to your research later on. So dili mo pwede mo mangopya sa lain nga research nga inyong gamiton for your own. Okay, that's a big no-no. Okay? So, legal ways to use media. Unsaon man di pag legal, okay? Mo na gitawag og royalty free. So si royalty, a type of license used by stock photography agencies to sell stock images. This means you pay for the license only once and you can use it forever within accepted ways without any further payment obligation. Public domain consists of all the creative work to which no exclusive intellectual property rights apply. Those rights may be expired, been forfeited, expressly way, or may be inapplicable. Okay? So, diretso ta diri sa Creative Commons. So, Creative Commons is a non-profit organization that enables the sharing and use of creativity and knowledge through free legal tools. Okay? So, free, libre. Free, easy to use copyright licenses provide a simple, standardized way to give the public permission to share and use your creative work on conditions of your choice. Creative Commons licenses are not an alternative to copyright. They work alongside copyright and enable you to modify your copyright terms to best suit your needs. So these are few sites, okay, na libre. Okay, kani si Unsplash. Ka-download ra kag internet og pictures ani, pixels kani, sample. Okay? So, this is free. Okay, naay daghan nga free sa internet. Okay, so pixels kani, pwede ka photos, okay, videos. Naasay gitawag og free pick. Okay? Kani siya nay uban bayad, nay uban libre. Okay? O kani. So kani siya pwede na ka maka-download og assets nga PSD tanawa. Okay? Ya, search ka, butang ka burger. Search. Okay? Ya, pangitaon nimo si free, kitara licenses, free. Okay? So mugawas ana mga free. Kani siyang mga burger, pwede na nimo ma-download as a PSD file. So PSD file is a Photoshop file. Okay? So imo na ning i-download, example, download, and then after you download, okay? So save nimo, and then once it's done, okay? Pwede na nimo gamit sa PSD. So, automatic na siya. This is a PSD file, Photoshop, then open nimo nanakay burger. Okay? So, pwede na nimo gamit. So, tanawa. Pwede na ako mabutang dito sa akong image. Tanawa. Guys, kasabot. Kasabot. So, naay daghang kuan sa internet. Okay? Imo na i-search free. Okay, pwede ka maka-search ana sa internet mga free nga for graphic design. Free resources. Okay? So napay lain, maganahan mo mga icons. Okay? Kanang mga icons, you can okay, you can go to flat icon. Okay, flat icon.com. Okay? So pwede nimo ma-download kani mga icons panitan education. So these are free. Okay, naka PNG na siya mga logos. Okay, nga logos education. So naa diha ang mga pwede nimo mga kuan, pwede nimo magamit, okay? So you can search sa internet, okay? I can give you a list. Ini face to face na lang na to kay mawa niya ninyo, di gyapon ninyo magamit, okay? So inyo ra to i-save, okay? So take note ha, dili ta magpataka og download sa atong mag-download sa mangupya lang dito at ra mo images sa Google, namingita mo images ngadto ninyong gamiton. Okay? We watch out for that because there are some images that are copyrighted. Okay? And nakabantay mo nang sa Facebook, di ba? Bisag magstorya lang mo, then there's a background music nga sikat ng mga artista, automatic din mo i-remove ang video nimo sa YouTube, di ba? So, ingon ana, mo na itawag nila og copyright. Okay? So, there is a free app in the internet that you can try, okay, you can explore, and that is Photo Photopea. Okay? A while, ah. Okay? Okay, so this is Photopea. So, online ni siya, pwede nimo gyapon mag-PSD. Okay, ato tong i-download si Kuan. Okay? Ato tong i-download ang burger ganina balik. Then ato i-open sa Photopea. So you can explore by opening bisag kato lang sa kadiyot kayo sa akin na wa siya. Ayan, so sa to folder. So na ko para are siya mo extract. Okay? So kani ako rin i-drag dito ni Photopea. This is a Photoshop ha. As you can see, the logo is PS. Okay? So ako rin i-drag. So automatic na siya mo load ni Photopea. Okay? So mo open na siya diri. Okay, you can try this at home. Okay? So bisag file lang sa new. Okay, mura gyapon na siya. As you can see, di ba? Di ba? Kakita mo guys, mura ra gyapon siya og Photoshop, right? Guys, you compare it. Katong ganina, this one. Okay, mag-new ko ha. Matanawa. Okay? So more or less, pare-pareha ra siya. Okay? Sama to, kani. So maset mo imong kuan. DPI is your resolution. Okay? So, siya, ang iyang presets kay FB page cover, FB event image, okay? FB group header, Instagram, okay? So, pag kuan mo, okay? Pag buhat mo og anything, okay? Basic lang sa kanang mga colors, okay? You try it, okay? Okay, experiment lang, experiment, try, kani yung sa mga gamit ani, okay? Kunda tong na-address, ako to isend ganina, okay? So you can more or less try if you press the move tool, unsay mubuhat niya, so on and so forth. Okay? So what that would be your task for um 12:30 to 2. Okay? So mo na inyong buhaton aside nako ihatag ninyo ang assignment and then another task is for you to explore this one, Photopea. Okay? Because this is very useful kay kung example dili ta makagamit diri sa computer, hopefully September naman sunod semana maka face to face na ta, but if dili ta maka face to face, then for the meantime, since you will not be in school, kani atong gamiton nga program. See? Photopea. Is that clear, guys? Sabot.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, i-send ni nako, ako yan, share sa akong screen. I'll send the first discussion that we have. Ako i-send sa GC, including our assignment. So, ang atong assignment is color theory. So, next week, ang atong i-discuss ang katunang layers. Okay, o mga basic ng mga tools sa Photoshop. So, I'll be sending you later on also a book. Okay, libro siya sa Photoshop. So, dili